Today we're going to talk about picking the right pallets when you go pallet hunting. So here's the context. You go out pallet hunting. Some days you might want to pick out all the pallets that you find, pick them up, bring them home, dismantle, use them for whatever project. That's fine. On some other days, you're going to be a bit more picky about the wood. You might want certain colors. You might not want certain colors. So how do you go about fixing this problem? It's actually pretty simple. I like to keep a hand plane when I go pallet hunting. A hand plane is a very nice tool because when you go to the pallet yard, what pallet will actually give you the wood that you want? It's actually very difficult when you look at a worn out pallet. Try to figure out what exact color you're going to get underneath that rough looking board. So if I take my trusted hand plane, get down there, give it a couple of shaves, I'm actually going to see what the clean wood looks like underneath. So then I can make a decision with minimal effort as to whether or not I want to take this pallet home, dismantle it, do anything with it. Is it really worth the trouble? So in this particular case, color tells me one thing, but once I take a closer look at it, I can see what the wood really looks like. Turns out this is beautiful. I might actually bring this home. Picking pallets, let's be honest, it's not an easy hobby. So a lot of times you're gonna bring some pallets, dismantle them, go through all this trouble, but because you don't have all your equipment, you can't really tell what you're bringing home. This little trick will make your life a little bit easier, and for those little projects that you want something really nice and unique, you'll be doing maybe just as much driving, but a whole lot less physical effort because you'll be picking exactly what you want.